Hola amigos, ¿cómo están? Bonjour mes amis. You guys, it's me, Danny. I hope everybody's doing well. I have been waiting for some time to have the opportunity to do this video, and I'm super excited that I'm able to do it right now. So here's what happened. I was getting in my car and I was about to drive out of the driveway in front of my house, and a car pulled up. I'm wondering, who is this? I realize it's someone from UPS. And so I get out of my car, I'm like, oh, they got a package for me. And the first thing I say, how you doing? And she says, congratulations. And I said, oh, is this what I think it is? And yes, it was. She was delivering this box right here. And I was very excited to see this box. But her name is Alicia. And you know what? Such a kind person, such a great person. But Alicia, she's my new friend. I could have talked to her all day. But anyway, she did deliver the box I've been waiting on. And if I'm not mistaken, this is the 100,000 subscriber play button award from YouTube. And I'm going to open it right now. So I'm super excited about it. So here we go. Got my little knife here. I'm cutting the tape. And let's open it up. But we got more tape right here. Hold on one second. Got more tape. All right. I'm going to keep it protected. So here we go. Opening the box and removing. Oh, check this out. Oh, man. Look at this. Look at this letter from YouTube. It says, just how far have you come? Each of your subscribers were a light year. If each one was a light year, they could take you from one side of the Milky Way to the other. It's pretty crazy. That's far. And this is why we're excited to celebrate your special YouTube journey with you. So I am super excited about this. And oh my gosh, here it is. Here it is. Let's take it out. Oh man, check this out. Finally. There it is. And notice the language tutor for passing 100,000 subscribers. Guys, this is so awesome. And you know what? I wouldn't have this in my hand right now if it were not for all of you. I can't say thank you enough for supporting me and the Language Tutor channel. I really, sometimes I just kick back and I just go, man alive. I'm so blessed. I'm so lucky to have all these people who support me all over the world. And this just means a lot to me. And each one of you means a lot to me. And I'm sorry I can't always get to all your comments and questions. I try my best. But you're the reason that we have this. And I'm just super thankful to all of you. So once again, thank you so much for 100,000 subscribers. And I told the team, I said, you know what? Now let's hit 500,000. We can do it. But I want to say a very heartfelt muchísimas gracias to every single one of you for your support. Thank you. See you soon.
Friends, thanks for watching The Language Tutor. If you have a question for me, feel free to leave it in the comment section below the video. And please click subscribe and the notification bell so that you'll never miss any of our language lessons.